Hi, this is Godfrey, your trusted mentor and the business coach. I am so excited to introduce our new course to you guys that are really interested to exit your careers if you wish to do so. So, in this course, I'm going to share you the nuggets on how you can build a six-figure business in just 6 months using what you already have. So, we're presenting the Career Exit Roadmap program. This program is all about helping professionals to turn their skills into income and exit their career with clarity, without no pressure, no complex tech required. So I'm going to take you through all the steps that you ought to be doing in order to exit safely. All right, so let's dig in. So as you can see on my screen, I've got my uh, thermometer. Person is frustrated or is no longer happy. Okay, person is frustrated or is no longer happy and he wish to exit the career or the marketplace. Okay, maybe to start a business or to do something that actually resonates with his or her purpose. All right, so you don't have a product because you are starting. You don't have an audience because, as like I say, you are starting, and you probably have some issues that you need to resolve in terms of using AI, using digital tools. But don't worry, we are covering you in this program. So the first phase, when we help a person to exit his or her career, we need to understand that there are things that you need to learn. There are things that you need to unlearn. So, okay, in this program, first, we want you to learn certain things because they are so important while you are planning to exit your career. All right. So, first of all, you need to understand your purpose, why you want to exit. Okay. What is the cause? What is the big why, that makes you want to exit your career? All right. Secondly, step number two, you've got to understand and identify your core skills, okay, the knowledge and experience that you've gathered many years. So you need to identify what are the core skills that you're going to apply, in order to generate income. All right. The third step then is you need to identify your target niche, people that you are going to help. Okay, people with a problem that you have identified that you're going to help them. So you need to identify the target niche. Okay, when you then move to the build phase of the system or the roadmap, you then need to build an offer, which is step number 4. Take your experience, take your skills and knowledge, okay, things that you've already have that you've learned many years back. Use that and package your offer. All right, once you've packaged your offer, you then have to write your what I called $1 million message. What is your message to the marketplace? What are you saying? What is it that you are helping? Who are the people that you are trying to help? All right, so you need to write a specific message that resonate with your target market out there. All right, and the sixth step now is also understanding the pathway. What is a roadmap that we are going to take them from where to where? So you need to show people the transition. This is where they are. This is what they are going to do in order to get to this space. Like you can see on my screen here, I've got a roadmap to show you how you can actually exit your career. Okay, and I'm showing you the steps, what you need to do first, and where you must go and what are the things that you must do in between. So step number 6 is all about creating the pathway, or what we call a client journey. What is the journey that you want to take them through in order for them to realize what they want to achieve? Then the third phase is multiply. This is step number 7, the funnels. You need to create a funnel. How are you going to acquire some leads? Okay, how are you going to market your business, and so on and so on? So it's important that you already understand what funnels are you going to use in order to make sure that you are able to achieve that what you are planning to do. Then step number 8 is money model. This I've learned on one of my coaches. So you've got to have some models that you're going to use in order to create income or revenue for yourself. So you need to understand how to create an offer that attracts the kind of people that you want to help with the problem that you have identified. And the last step, which is step number 9, is influence. This is all about social proof. Okay, you need to show people that you have done this before. Okay, if you don't have proof, you can tell your story. In my case, I've got a proof based on my story. How did I exit the employment or the marketplace from where I was to where I am now. So whatever I'm teaching you and showing you on this career exit roadmap, these are the things I've done for the last 10 years, and I've seen growth in my life, and my life has become better than it was before. All right. So this is the career exit roadmap for those that wants to turn their experience, their knowledge, their skills into a revenue. All right. And this is the program that we offer to help you. I will see you in the next program.